This is the most, I would say, classic example. It's a P&L, it's an income statement here. We have previous year actual and plan. And as you can see here, this is actually a simple template where everything is prepared already. And as you see here, this is just one Zebra BI add-in, one Zebra BI visual. It's the Zebra BI tables visual. It's placed here, so it has all the information. So the whole P&L structure is here for previous year, actual, and plan. This is this part of your data, and then all the variances are calculated, absolute variances, relative variances, and there are some comments inside. As you can see, this is the full calculation of an income statement, and you can simply type your own data or link your own data here to the data table, and the report is already done. Oh, I shouldn't have sorted this. Also, you will see that the formulas have been added. So you have the gross margin percentage, operating margin, and so on. Everything is also already prepared in this visual. So this is the most standard, also IBCS compliant template. We're shipping this today.